Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a cover letter on LinkedIn. This is a great way to keep your application materials organized and ready to attach whenever you're applying for jobs directly through LinkedIn's platform. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn stores all your account configurations and privacy controls, giving you full control over how your profile operates. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice several categories listed there. Click on Data Privacy. This section manages how your information is stored and used on LinkedIn, and it's also where you can upload important documents like resumes and cover letters for job applications. Now scroll down through the data privacy options until you find the Job Seeking Preferences section. This area is specifically designed to help you manage everything related to your job search on LinkedIn. It's where you can signal to recruiters that you're open to opportunities and store your application materials. Under the Job Seeking Preferences section, click on Resumes and Job Applications Data. This is the hub where LinkedIn allows you to upload and manage all the documents you might need when applying for jobs through their platform. It keeps everything in one place for easy access. Next, you'll see an option that says Upload Resume. Go ahead and click on it. Even though it says Resume, this is where you can upload your cover letter as well. LinkedIn treats both documents similarly in terms of storage and application readiness. Your file browser will now open up. Navigate through your folders to find where you've saved your cover letter. Once you locate it, select the file and upload it. Give it a moment to process and save to your LinkedIn account. This ensures that the document is properly stored and ready to be attached to any job application you submit through LinkedIn. And that's it. You've successfully added your cover letter to LinkedIn, making it much easier to apply for jobs without having to search for your documents every time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.